I know it's not an everyday conversation, but do you have at least one bowel movement a day? If not, you could be one of the 42 million Americans who experience occasional constipation. It's one of the most common intestinal problems in the United States. Many people think it's normal and healthy to go every few days or even once a week. It's not. Others turn to drugstore laxatives for relief. Big mistake. Common drugstore laxatives are harsh. They have many dangerous side effects and can damage your intestinal tract to the point you won't be able to go to the bathroom without a laxative. You don't need any of those problems. You need a solution. You need Oxy-Powder. Oxy-Powder is a safe and effective supplement that uses the power of oxygen to gently cleanse and detoxify your entire digestive tract. Gas, bloating, occasional constipation, all gone. Oxy-Powder works overnight to melt away the lingering waste and help you pass it all completely. Oxy-Powder is gentle on your stomach, won't cause cramps, or damage your sensitive tissue. At Global Healing Center, we really care about your experience and your wellness. We're here to support you every step of the way on your journey to a better you. For nearly 20 years, Oxy-Powder has been changing the lives of millions of people around the world. Don't take my word for it. Read the reviews for yourself. Isn't it time you experienced a new type of clean? Order Oxy-Powder today and feel better fast.